Good evening, everyone. My name is Maria Fatima. The title of my presentation is Human Resource Management. The talking points of my presentation will be the father of human resource management and the origin and evolution of human resource management. So now let's jump right into our topic. George Elton Mayo, the father of human resource management. He was an Australian sociologist, psychologist, organizational theorist, and industrial researcher. Elton Mayo is known as the father of human relation movement and is known for his research including the Hawthorne studies. The human relation approach, also known as the New Classical approach, was the human relation theory by Elton Mayo. It was an attempt made by him to explain that the relation among employer and employee are concerned with the moral and psychological aspect rather than the legal aspect of an organization. During research, Elton Mayo came up with an idea which he termed it as Hawthorne effect. It refers to the improvement in workers' productivity or quality that results from the mere fact that the workers are being studied or observed. This observation came from the studies carried out at Western Electric's Hawthorne plant, and this experiment gave the idea that people are motivated by additional factors rather than purely economic factors. Human relation movement was a series of experiments conducted by Elton Mayo, which are known as the Hawthorne studies, which focused on exploring link between the employee satisfaction and workplace productivity. So here, basically, Elton Mayo is promoting the hypothesis that the workers in the organization are motivated by social and relational forces rather than purely financial and environmental conditions. Let's move on to our next topic, that is origin and evolution of HRM. The concept of human resource began back in 18th century in Europe during the Industrial Revolution. The concept was built on a simple idea which was made by Robert Owen and Charles Babbage, who were observing the conditions of workers during the Industrial Revolution. They saw how the workers were being exploited by the industrialists. So they concluded that the people or the worker were crucial for the success of an organization and their interests should be protected. The concept of human resource management emerged from the concept of personnel management. The concept of personnel management evolved through various stages of industrial revolution, trade union, scientific management, behavioral science, human relation, etc. Therefore, the concept of HRM has gradually replaced the term personnel management. The first HR department was established by the National Cash Register Company in 1901, and this department was referred as personnel. It was established by NCR leader John H. Till now we saw the concepts of HRM in a broader view. Now let's see the origin and evolution of HRM in a narrower view. In India, Dr. Uday Parikh and Dr. T.V. Rao are father figure in HRD. They contributed a lot to the field of HRM. Dr. Uday Parikh and Dr. T.V. Rao are two former IIMA professors who are largely credited with the design of the new HR function and the first dedicated carved out personnel function. They designed the first HRD department in the world about 30 years ago. They designed it out of their own thoughts and reflection as a part of their consultancy they provided to L&T in 1974 and subsequently helped the organizations like SBI and others to establish HRD departments. In India, the first workshop on HRD was conducted in 1976 by IIMA Professor Dr. T.V. Rao, where the draft of the book Designing and Managing HR System was presented and tested. By mid-80s, a large number of organizations in India established fully fledged HR departments. In the presentation, we saw the situations that led to origin and evolution of HRM, the research and experiments done for the development of HRM and the other things. In my point of view, HRM is not just the act of hiring, deploying, and managing the employees of an organization. Though financial resources may be lifeblood of a company, but HR is the brain of it. I would like to conclude my presentation with a quote, that is, train people well enough so that they can leave. Treat them well enough so that they don't want to. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.